estimate a roof, pitch roof dormer. If you'd like to add a pitch roof dormer or estimate for a standalone pitch roof dormer, click here. This is where we enter the usual customer details. As per usual, select a customer randomly, put in some mileage. Now we go off and edit the pitch roof dormer. Now the pitch roof dormer screen is in two halves. The top half is the details for the pitch roof, and when you're in the top half there's a diagram for the pitch roof dormer, but it's in the bottom half of the screen, just so you can see what your measurements are. As you move past the halfway line, you go to the bottom half of the screen where you're entering in the details for the dormer body. The dormer body picture appears in the top half out of the way, and it gives you a good reference point to see what your measurements are. Okay, we'll start at the top. So up here we're going to have a run of sides of 2 meters. We're going to have a gable end. The roof width is going to be 3.5 meters, and the ridge is going to be 4 meters. We'll enter the parts. Just throw some parts in just for the demo. Ridge tiles. We're going to have right. Okay, so we've got a gable end. Okay, so we go over here. We're going to have valley tiles. Just select something, valley tiles, that'll do. Okay, now we go down to the bottom half, into the dormer body itself. So the dormer body we're going to have 3 meters wide, 2 meters high. The pitch is 37 degrees. Right, 1500 millimeter wide window, 1000 millimeter high window, and there's only one of those. Pitch 330. Select some vertical tiles and all the other parts. Okay, we're going to select tile the front face. We want the various bits of flashing under the windows and at the bottom of the dormer. Tile the left side, right side. Soaker on the left valley, soaker on the right valley. Hopefully, if I've got this right, should let us go through back to the previous screen. So it's told us here something we haven't set. So we haven't set the batten spacing for the pitch roof. So back here we haven't set this here. Okay, it does check everything you do. If you have not filled in something that needs to be filled in, it lets you know. Okay, so now we're back here, we can click estimate, and there you go. So pitch roof dormer estimated in a matter of minutes. So you've got your breakdown of your parts types, you've got your labour here, you've got your parts and labour totals here. You can go to Excel if you want. We go back to the screen. It's quite flexible in what you've got. You can select your different types of items up the left hand side and right hand side, so whether you want valley trays, valley liners, soakers, step flashing, etc., you can switch them in and out. The dormer body itself, you can even say whether you want corner tiles, etc., or whether you want flashing on the left and right valley instead of soakers. You can either tick it on or tick it off, take your pick as to what you want. You can have tile on a halves, top tiles, eave tiles, etc., etc. The diagram here is just an approximate side view to show you what you've entered. So if you enter, for instance, a ridge that's too short, you will see this. It just lets you know that you've got something wrong. Okay, thank you very much for your time.